Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. AVAX doing what it does best, making new highs here. This is fantastic. We'd love to see this. Congrats to our community members. We got a lot of members trading Avalanche and what was it, Cardano, Atom. We take a look here, of course. We did miss out. Unfortunately, we didn't get entered in at Atom or ADA. Our coin just kept running. We didn't get filled, but those did hit our targets nonetheless, and we also hit a nice 33% on Gala for a 6x leverage trade. And of course, our Premium Plus group here, nice little bot there, 12% in 14 hours from our scalp trade there. Matic is firing on all cylinders right now. So awesome stuff there. So let's take a quick look here at Avalanche and kind of see, generally speaking, what is going on here. Because the backend data, we looked at it earlier, there wasn't a heck of a lot of liquidation. My speculation is there probably isn't a lot still, mainly because of the fact that there's been a lot of liquidations. And generally speaking, when the prices run, it does tend to dissipate. However, seeing some ballsy shorts here. Take a look at this here. $48 wrecked, 47 wrecked, massive wreckage at 45.50, and then 44.80. Okay, so I guess the common theme here, as I've been telling you guys for days, is do not short this coin. I hope that you can continue to listen, or actually, you know what? I take that back. Most of my viewers do listen. I just think the ones that are doing this probably don't know that they're not supposed to be shorting this coin. Anyways, let's go ahead and find out if it's worth shorting or worth taking along here. I'm going to guess that it's probably leaning more towards the fact that we should go long versus short, but that's just the market win right now. Okay, so folks, if you're new to the channel, not a financial advisor, hope you can learn something today. If you want to become a better trader, again, cryptocash.tech is a site. I do offer a trading university with my membership, and of course, those signals I shared with you earlier are also part of that. Thanks again for the awesome feedback I've been receiving from my members. I'm super happy it's working well for you. Again, check it out if you're curious. We do have limited slots available. I'm actually going to have to start restricting it soon because we just got so many new members here. Okay, so Avalanche. What do we do here? On the daily time frame, not much to note. Same as before. Moving averages are fantastic. Stochastic RSI is swinging upwards. We're still waiting for the MACD to converge, but it's kind of been converging for a long time. So truthfully here, I actually misspoke. It's not going to diverge anytime soon. It's still converging. Okay, so again, significantly beneficial situation here for Avalanche on the daily. There's literally nothing here we can extract rather, or include that is going to consider the fact that the price action may pull back soon. Okay, smaller time frames are the only things that are going to really help us with that. Once again, taking a look here at the 4-hour time frame, we're at a 9+3. Okay, so if we look at the history, when we do hit 9s, this coin typically turns itself around. So what's different now than it was before? Well, the likelihood of the fact that Bitcoin's back in the 44,000 range has a lot to do with it, I'm sure. It's also the simple fact that we broke through this level, this resistance level here, which we can kind of see with the price action wicked up there, had some difficulty, and has since closed above that level. Okay, so we got a good 8 hours of closure above 45.25. So 45.25 could be our new support level. Okay, keep in mind, worst case scenario, price pulls back. We could see these lower fib levels. In fact, I'll show you that on the hourly. Might be a little easier to see. Let's talk about the RSI and stochastics. Stochastic is, we're getting our second swing up, and as I mentioned before, this is the most impactful. So oftentimes when you have a second convergence, divergence on stochastic RSI, it has more strength to it, okay? Mainly because the first one's kind of like a telling sign we could slow down soon. The next one is a telling sign we could slow down soon, right? But when in this case, this is more of like we're going up. We're going up. It's telling us it's going to go up, and it's going up harder and faster now because of that, okay? That said, though, money flow index is above the RSI. I love to see that. When coins have that, it implies that there's more room for growth, but also there's tons of money coming into the coin. And when money is flowing in, price is going up. Okay, there's just no other way around it. So that's all positive contributing factors. I see nothing here that's disadvantageous. Of course, we are overextended, but we had a nice 12-hour period of consolidation at this $45.50 range, and now we're legging up again. So I really don't think we're going to see a massive pullback. I do feel like 45 could very well be the new support. Okay. So again, we had the same conversation back at $38. Remember, the daily candlestick closure wouldn't close at that level, and eventually it did. We're in the same situation. We closed above 45. We're in a pretty solid situation where the price action should continue higher. Take a look at TD sequential on the hourly. We can see that we still have all windows open here to effectively keep this trade open. We got everything's kind of hanging out right here too with the cloud. So that's actually perfect as well. Conversion lines above the baseline with the lag and span free and clear. Literally, we're hitting 100% on everything here. We take a look at TD sequential here on the hourly. We're literally starting almost over from scratch because we consolidated here so perfectly. The price action is ready to take off. Okay, so again, this is crude drawings here, of course, but just generally speaking, you can see a lot of bullish type of patterns here. There's nothing that's telling us the price should turn around. So again, when I see stuff like this, I literally just leave my long positions open, don't touch them, and just walk away. Okay, I would recommend, of course, adjusting your stop loss higher if you are in profit. There's nothing wrong with that. Securing profit is a very normal thing. And if you are in the red here, which I've gotten a few direct messages today asking me, hey, I shorted Avalanche before I found your channel, because I constantly reiterate not shorting Avalanche, Solana, handful of other coins. And you know, I've had that conversation multiple times, and it's unfortunate, but you do have to cut your losses sometimes. All right, hey, that's just the way it goes. Actually, being a good trader is learning how to cut your losses. So the trick is in the future, set a goal before you take the trade. And if it doesn't, you know, if it passes that threshold, so what? You got out, you took a little loss, and you move on to the next one. There's tons of opportunity. It's okay, folks. It's okay. And if you need help finding good opportunities, I've been pretty good with analyzing good 20 to 30 coins a day and providing an average of 1 or 2 signals a day for my community. So again, those are just swing trades. Obviously, my day trading bot does a lot more for me. It does a lot of work that I don't need to worry about. But generally speaking, again, we're going to find some good trades. Okay, so Near Protocol was one of those. 2 days ago, we took a trade, 113%. Same thing with Solana as well. We took about 127%. That was about a month. But, you know, VeChain, the list goes on. We got some really good coins in the mix right now. So super happy it's working well. Last thing that's working well, too, is Bitunix, phenomenal exchange. If you're not already partnered with them, sorry, I'm partnered with them for you, mainly because they have no KYC or VPN requirements. So if you're not already registered with them, make sure you use my link to register so you get some significant rewards. It's really an awesome opportunity to be able to just use a fantastic exchange. They have trailing stop losses, multiple profit targets. I have some instructions on our Discord if you're curious. It's all in our Bitunix section, but they are phenomenal, and I do deeply appreciate the opportunity to work with you. Thank you again, Bitunix, for awesome stuff for our community. All right, folks, that's all we got here for now. Let me know your thoughts. Comment below. Where are you at on AVAX? Do you think it's going to go higher? Do you think $50 is probable, or are we going to get a pullback? Okay, let me know. Look forward to hearing it. Have a good rest of your day. We'll see you soon. Take care.